Welcome back. We return with breaking news that's just come in. Even as suspense over the seat sharing pact continues. Congress sources have informed that the party continues to insist on 60-61 seats, also maintains no rift between the Congress and the RJD. It's the RJD that needs to do seat sharing with other partners, and the issue is not over number of seats but over some crucial seats is what we're learning from sources within the Congress. And if that is well settled, then by today day end we can expect an announcement. So that's what Congress sources are pointing to. CNN News 18 Sharon joins us with all of those inputs. Sharon, you know, the big talk in Mahagathbandhan has been who's going to be playing the big brother role and whether or not, most importantly, Congress's demands, because the RJD is the one that's saying yes, no's to the number that's being demanded by its allies in Bihar. The Congress demand on 60-61, that's a big question mark right now. Anything that the party is suggesting, seemingly suggesting on the likelihood or the possibility of that happening?
Well, right now what we are hearing is that it is not really an issue over the number of seats that has been given to the Congress party. The sources have been suggesting that RJD is very much okay with Congress party having about 60 seats in the Bihar election. But it is the fight over around 3 to 4 seats in Bihar specifically. And when we talk about the out of these 4 seats, 3 seats have always been with the Congress party. But this time, the RJD, in fact, wants to keep it to themselves, those seats, and he wants to give one of the seats to VIP, which is not being acceptable by the Congress party. Now, last night, there was a CEC where about 40 seats, the high priority seats for the Congress party, was passed, and the list will be out in a day or two. Apart from that, the rest of the seats are going to be decided by a subcommittee where the meeting is right now underway, Christine. But yes, there is a lot of mess, there's a lot of confusion and chaos as far as the Mahagathbandhan is concerned, because when we talk about Mahagathbandhan, it comprises of the CPI, CPIML, RJD, Congress, VIP, and now, you know, there are parties which has been asking for a certain seats, crucial seats, while other parties asking for the same seats. So the confusion is still prevailing. We are hoping that probably by today or by tomorrow, a final decision on the seat sharing is going to be announced.
Okay, many thanks, Sharon, for joining us with all those details. Like you said,